Alright, so it's time for another video, and I wanted to go ahead and do a walk around of the home built camper that I made about a year ago, and kind of show what I use, some of the materials, and some of the layout. This camper was featured on a YouTube channel. I think it's called Camp Easy, or Camp Camera. That's what it is, Camp Camera. And the fellow that has that channel, he does home-built campers, kind of walks through them and takes little tours of them and things. I hadn't really gotten a chance to do a video on this camper. Our original subscribers were based off of the first home-built Teardrop that I made, and you know, I sold that camper and built this one and hadn't really gotten around to it, so as far as making the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera here, and we'll do a quick outside walk around, then we'll go inside. Alright, so as we walk around this camper, I'd like to hear your opinions in the comments, if you don't mind. What would you consider this? You know, this is one of the things that me and my wife were talking about. Would you consider this a teardrop, a square drop, or do we kind of fall out of that category altogether? Just keep that in mind as we walk around it and let me know. I got the door, full-size door. This was purchased at a salvage yard for RVs. This is built on a 12-foot boat trailer, so it's got a nice long tongue. Makes backing it really both easy and difficult, if that makes any sense, because it's easy to steer it backing up, but you don't get much steering because the tongue's so long. I did weld up a frame that kind of built around the structure here, and welded it together out of steel, and then used 2x4s as the studs. And I'll show some pictures as I'm kind of doing this video. I'll kind of scroll some pictures up in the corner. So you got water hookup, 30 amp electrical hookup. The storage, it goes all the way through to there. I have a canopy that I've been working on. I'm not done with that. I gotta try to get that kind of tucked up inside that tube. I did use a piece of PVC, 3-inch PVC tubing, and the exterior of this metal is just it's just metal roofing that you can buy it pre-corrugated. So it comes in a little bit wider of a sheet. I think it's 42 inches wide, and it's overlapped, and I have a piece of, it's like vinyl stripping that just kind of hides the seam. My wife, she has the Cricut, so she did a little bit of work with that. Of course, we got the box here. Plenty of room for a box. Got that off Amazon. It was pretty cheap, and it is kind of rusting on the ends. It's a little bit of a letdown there. So we'll go ahead and go inside. So it's a little bit dark. I don't have the electricity hooked up, but got the jackknife sofa right here on the right-hand side. Of course, you got the little fridge, got some overhead storage. This is where my son sleeps. It folds down into a bed. Then we have a little kitchen area. So this is a little hot plate that's kind of built into the, I think it's an induction style cooktop. Got a sink, and then we have a little closet right here for clothing. And my fuse box is actually in the bottom down here. Television, nice little spot here to just put a bunch of items, I guess. Full-size bed running along the side here in the back. I have a little swing-up shelf there, and of course my wife likes to put stuff up here in the basket. Alright, and then here we have a shower. And one of these little portable toilets that we can pull out. We have the fan over top of that with an LED. I've got a air conditioner down here, and this I have ducting going out the back and out the bottom through that little through port. Of course, she has a little trash spot here. Of course, I got the door kind of flapping in the wind there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. So I'll go ahead and open. Of course, I'm blurring out a little bit. Got plenty of storage up here. We got these doors from the same RV salvage place, like that. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, so that's the inside of the camper. Kind of look underneath here a little bit. So there is some under lighting. I do have a gray water tank and some plumbing that goes up under to that shower and over to the sink. I'll go ahead and open this guy up right here. You can kind of see there's that air conditioner and the duct that goes down up underneath. So that goes all the way through. Water hose back there. There's also a drip pan underneath that air conditioner for condensation to fall out, so that all goes outside. This aluminum trim, you can see it's kind of crimped. Basically it was just 1x1 angle, aluminum angle, and I put that in the vise and pulled it and hit it with a hammer and finally got the bend that I wanted. But yeah, we like it. It wasn't fun to build, but we enjoy it. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.